This is called topic number 3, change of subject, basic level. First example, make f the subject of the formula f over m equal to a. So let's copy down the formula first, f over m equal to a. We need to make f the subject. So we need to, because on the left hand side, f over m. So we want to move m to the right hand side. Change sign, change operation. How to change operation? On the left hand side is division, f divided by m. So we use the inverse of division, which is multiplication. So we multiply m on both sides. So multiply m on both sides. On the left hand side, m and m can be cancelled, equal to 1. So left hand side will be f, and right hand side m times a. That's it. Now f is the subject. Now let's see the second example. We use the same formula, f over a equal to m, but this time make a the subject of the formula. So let's copy down the equation, the formula first, f over a equal to m. We want to make a be the subject, okay? So because we see denominators here, so we want to remove the denominator first. Denominator means division. We use the inverse of division, which is multiplication. So we multiply a on both sides so that we can remove the denominator. Okay, a and a can be cancelled on the left hand side, so left hand side will be f. And on the right hand side, a times m, which is am over ma. Now, not finished, because we want to make a the subject. So we need to move m, okay, to the left hand side. Because the relationship between m and a is multiplication, m times a. So if we want to move m to the other side, change sign, then change operation. So multiplication, then you change to division. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Okay, so divided by m on both sides. So ma divided by m. Now m can be cancelled. So right hand side will be a, and left hand side f over m. Therefore, a, the subject, equal to f over m. That's it. Let's see the third example. Make a the subject of the formula x equal to a plus b. So this is very easy. Let's do it. Copy down the formula x equal to a plus b. Now we want to make a be the subject. So we need to move positive b to the left hand side. Change sign, then change operation. Here addition, we need to change to its inverse, which is subtraction. So we can subtract b on both sides. So we can easily get x minus b equal to a. Okay, let me write the subject on the left hand side equal to x minus b. That's it. Let's see the last example of basic level. The formula is y equal to 180 minus x. We need to change x, the subject, to be the subject. So we need to move 180 to the left hand side. So on the right hand side, negative x plus 180. Okay, so when we change sign, then change operation. This is plus 180, so change to the left hand side become subtract minus 180. So left hand side will be y minus 180, and on the right hand side, negative x is left. We want x the subject be the subject, so we also need to move negative 1 to the other side. So negative 1 on the right hand side, negative 1, the relationship between negative 1 and x is multiplication, negative 1 times x. So if we move negative 1 to the other side, then you need to divide it. Okay, so y minus 180 divided by -1, negative x divided by -1. So on the right hand side, negative can be cancelled, so x is left. And on the left hand side, y minus 180 divided by -1, so we get negative y plus 180. Therefore, x equal to negative y plus 180. You can also write it x equal to 180 minus y. That's it.